Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 timeless classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, legendary machines that continue to define generations of riding.
Number 1. 1975 Harley-Davidson XL CH1000, $4,400, Fairhope, Alabama. The XL-CH1000 is a classic ironhead sportster that represents the raw and mechanical character of vintage American motorcycles. Known for its simple, no-nonsense design, the XL-CH delivers a direct riding experience that many modern bikes no longer replicate. This example is reported to run great with no issues and is still being ridden regularly, which is always a strong sign of reliability and usability. It features both electric and kickstart, offering convenience while maintaining its traditional appeal. The black finish and classic stance give it timeless visual presence, making it equally suitable for riding or light customization. At this price point, it presents a solid opportunity to own a running and usable piece of Harley-Davidson history. Number 2. 1978 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140V, $5,500, Paris, Illinois. The 1978 Triumph Bonneville T140V is one of the most recognizable British motorcycles of its era, known for its balanced performance and timeless styling. This particular example stands out as an unrestored original survivor, retaining much of its factory character, including the rare one-year-only brown and gold paint scheme. With only around 8,000 miles, it appears to have been carefully preserved and not heavily used. The bike has received recent servicing along with new tires, chain, and sprockets, helping ensure it remains a dependable rider. While the tank shows some light patina, it adds authenticity rather than detracting from its appeal. For enthusiasts seeking a genuine vintage Bonneville with originality and road-ready condition, this is a compelling option. Number 3. 1981 Suzuki GS, $3,500, Nashville, Tennessee. The 1981 Suzuki GS series is widely respected for its durability, smooth inline-4 engine, and dependable performance. This one-owner example is especially appealing due to its originality, something that is becoming increasingly difficult to find in today's vintage market. With approximately 16,000 miles, it has relatively low usage for its age and is reported to run great with no known issues. The clean condition reflects careful ownership over the years, making it a strong candidate for riders who want a reliable vintage machine. Its classic red finish and traditional styling give it a timeless look, while its proven engineering ensures it remains practical for regular use. This GS offers a great balance between collectability and everyday usability. Number 4. 1953 BSA Bantam D3, $4,900, Newborn, Georgia. The 1953 BSA Bantam D3 is a lightweight British classic that reflects the simplicity and charm of early post-war motorcycling. Designed to be efficient and easy to ride, the Bantam became one of the most popular small displacement bikes of its time. This example has undergone a complete restoration, resulting in a clean, well-presented motorcycle that is ready to be enjoyed. Its vintage green finish and compact proportions give it strong visual appeal, whether displayed at shows or used for casual rides. The straightforward mechanical design also makes it approachable for maintenance and ownership. For collectors or enthusiasts looking for a fully sorted and historically significant British bike, this Bantam offers both character and usability. Number 5. 1973 Honda CL350 K2 Scrambler, $1,850, Woodbine, Iowa. The 1973 Honda CL350 K2 Scrambler is a versatile and highly regarded vintage motorcycle, known for its dual-purpose design and distinctive high-mounted exhaust. This example shows just over 5,500 miles and is reported to start, run, and ride well, making it a solid, usable classic. It features both electric and kickstart, along with a new battery, adding convenience for everyday use. The fuel tank and seat are in very good condition, contributing to its overall strong presentation. While it could benefit from minor updates, such as carburetor cleaning and new tires, these are relatively simple tasks for a bike of this type. With a clean title and a very accessible price point, this CL350 represents an excellent entry into vintage scrambler ownership, offering both fun and long-term value. Number 6. 1976 BMW R90/6, $5,300, Newton, North Carolina. The 1976 BMW R90/6 is part of BMW's legendary Airhead lineup, known for its smooth boxer twin engine and long-lasting reliability. This model delivers a refined riding experience with strong torque and balanced handling, making it ideal for both casual cruising and longer rides. This particular example is described as running and riding exactly as it should, with no immediate needs. Recent maintenance includes an oil change, rebuilt brake cylinders, rebuilt carburetors, valve adjustments, and a new battery, all of which contribute to its road-ready condition. With a clean title and solid overall presentation, this R90/6 stands out as a dependable vintage motorcycle that can be enjoyed right away. Number 7. 1983 Yamaha Midnight Virago 750, $3,000, Justin, Texas. The 1983 Yamaha Midnight Virago 750 is a distinctive cruiser from Yamaha's early V-twin lineup, featuring the special Midnight Edition styling with blacked-out finishes and subtle accents. Known for its comfortable ergonomics and smooth power delivery, the Virago helped define the modern cruiser segment. This example is especially notable for its extremely low mileage, showing just 2,882 original miles, and has been stored indoors since new, helping preserve its clean condition. It runs but will need new tires and some minor attention to be fully road-ready. With its rarity, low mileage, and overall originality, this Midnight Virago presents a unique opportunity for collectors and riders alike. Number 8. 1973 Norton Commando 850, $8,500, Bloomington, Illinois. The 1973 Norton Commando 850 is one of the most respected British motorcycles of its time, known for its strong performance and iconic styling. This example has undergone a comprehensive restoration, with major work completed on both the engine and gearbox, including new bearings, seals, and gaskets. The cylinder head has been rebuilt with upgraded components, while the frame and wheels have been fully refreshed, giving the bike a clean and high-quality finish. It features a striking candy apple red paint job and has been upgraded with electronic ignition and a single Mikuni carburetor for improved reliability. With only a few hundred miles since the rebuild, it remains in its break-in period and is ready for careful use. For those seeking a fully sorted and visually impressive Commando, this is a standout example. Number 9. 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000 Cathay Racer, $4,000, Madison, Mississippi. The 1980 Kawasaki KZ1000 is a powerful and well-known platform that has become a favorite for custom builds, particularly Cathay racers. This example has been modified with a range of performance and aesthetic upgrades, including a Dyna electronic ignition, oil cooler, close ratio transmission, and a 4-into-1 exhaust system. It also features updated paint, a new battery, and modernized components that enhance both performance and appearance. Additional parts are included with the sale, such as OEM components and upgraded brake lines, adding further value. While the bike runs, the carburetors will need rebuilding to reach full performance. For enthusiasts looking for a strong custom platform with serious potential, this KZ1000 offers a solid starting point. Number 10. 1978 Harley-Davidson Lowrider, $7,500, Hendersonville, Tennessee. The 1978 Harley-Davidson Lowrider is an iconic cruiser that helped define factory custom styling in the late 1970s. Powered by the classic shovel-head engine and paired with a 4-speed transmission, it delivers the unmistakable feel that Harley enthusiasts appreciate. This example features both electric and kickstart, along with a wide glide front end and original mag wheels, adding to its authentic look. It is reported to run great and comes with a clean title, making it a ready-to-ride vintage machine. With its combination of classic styling and strong mechanical condition, this lowrider represents a desirable piece of Harley-Davidson history. Number 11. 1980 Vespa P125X, $4,200, Deltona, Florida. The 1980 Vespa P125X is a classic Italian scooter that blends timeless design with practical usability. This example has been tastefully upgraded with a 150cc cylinder conversion and digital ignition, completed by a reputable shop, improving both performance and reliability. It retains its original 2-stroke character while offering better cruising capability, reportedly reaching speeds around 60 miles per hour with ease. The scooter remains mostly original and is described as running excellent with all components functioning properly. It also comes with new tires and includes original accessories such as the spare tire, toolkit, and additional parts. Clean, well-sorted Vespas like this are becoming harder to find, making it a strong option for both collectors and riders. Number 12. 1976 Honda CB750, $2,200, Franklin, Tennessee. The 1976 Honda CB750 is one of the most iconic motorcycles ever produced, often credited with setting the standard for modern superbikes. Powered by a smooth inline-4 engine, it offers strong performance and classic styling that continues to attract enthusiasts. This example runs and rides well, making it a usable vintage machine as it sits. It does have a minor idle issue once warmed up, likely requiring carburetor cleaning or adjustment, which is a common and manageable task. With a clean title and a very accessible price point, it presents an excellent opportunity for someone looking to restore, customize, or simply enjoy a classic Honda platform. Number 13. 1982 Suzuki 650, $3,000, Clarksville, Tennessee. The 1982 Suzuki 650 represents the dependable engineering and smooth performance that Suzuki was known for during the early 1980s.
This example is described as clean and well-maintained, with new tires already installed and braking components in good condition. It runs and rides great with no reported leaks, making it a solid, ready-to-use vintage motorcycle. Its straightforward design and reliable engine make it suitable for both newer riders and experienced enthusiasts. With a clean title and a fair asking price, this bike offers a good balance of usability and classic appeal. Number 14. 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V52, $2,000, DeRidder, Louisiana. The 1980 Moto Guzzi Monza V52 is a compact Italian V-twin that offers a unique riding experience with classic European styling. Known for its lightweight feel and responsive handling, it stands out from larger displacement bikes of its era. This example is reported to be in good condition overall and comes with brand new tires, which is a valuable upgrade. However, it has not been running for a few years and will require some recommissioning before returning to the road. For buyers interested in a distinctive vintage project, this Monza provides a solid foundation at an affordable price. Number 15. 1976 Yamaha XS650 Bobber, $975, Hendersonville, Tennessee. The 1976 Yamaha XS650 is one of the most popular platforms for custom builds, thanks to its strong parallel twin engine and simple construction. This example has been converted into a bobber-style project, offering a stripped-down look with plenty of character. It is currently a non-running project that will need a new wiring harness and a full tune-up to get back on the road. However, it is reported that all the necessary components are included, making it a complete and promising build. At under $1,000, this XS650 presents a very affordable opportunity for someone looking to take on a hands-on custom project. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more timeless and legendary classic motorcycles across the U.S.